Turn on the manifold gauge. Turn on the Bluetooth on your manifold gauge. Open the Elitech Tools app on your phone. Search for your device in the app. Tap on your device to connect. The app will prompt you for an upgrade. Click Upgrade and wait for 3 minutes until the upgrade is complete. Once the upgrade is done, restart the device. First, turn on the Bluetooth on the wireless temperature clamp. Open the Elitech Tools app on your phone. Search for your device in the app. Tap on your device to connect. Open the Elitech Tools app. Select LMG-10W from the menu. Connect the wireless temperature clamp. Tap Settings on the main screen. Then select Wireless Temperature Probe from the menu bar. Restart temperature clamp. Return to the main screen. Wait for a few seconds, and you will see the temperature reading displayed on the screen.